Hi folks, this is Vicki at patternprincess.com. Today I'm going to show you how to do a treble crochet two together. Normally you're going to see that written in the pattern as a T, C, and the number 2, and then the letters T, O, G. So that means treble crochet two together, and those are used to reduce the stitches. It can be for closing up the top of a ball you're making, or maybe the top of a hat, or the valley if you're making a chevron blanket. That'll also create the valley. So I'm going to show you how to do the treble crochet two together. So I just have a sample stitch here. So I'm going to yarn over twice. When you treble crochet, you yarn over twice. Now I'm going to count and go 5 from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 chains from the hook. I'm going to insert my hook. I'm just going to do a normal treble crochet to start. So I yarn over and go through the 2 here, and the 2 loops, and the 2 loops. So if I was going to be counting in a pattern, this would be like having 2 treble crochets already done. I'm going to yarn over twice. I'll do another treble crochet just so you can make sure that you, in case you've never seen a treble crochet before, this is how you do that. Okay, so now we have 3. Yarn over twice, go into the next chain, yarn over 2 loops, and yarn over 2 loops, and yarn over 2 loops. Now we've completed 3, and then we have that initial chain. So now I'm going to do 2 treble crochet together. So here we go. Yarn over twice, and in the next chain I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over. I'm going to go through 2 loops and 2 loops. I am going to hold this loop on my hook along with this loop. I'm not going to do anything yet. Yarn over twice. So now it's like having 4 loops on my hook. So I'm going to insert my hook into the chain, yarn over, grab my yarn. Now I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, bring it through 2 loops. Yarn over, bring it through 2 loops. And yarn over, because now I have, here is that treble crochet, and here's 2 partially finished treble crochets, right? So now I'm going to yarn over. I had yarned over, and I'm going to go through all 3 loops. I'm going to do it again. So yarn over twice. I'm going to go into the next loop, and I had yarned over, and I'm going to go through 2 loops, 2 loops, and my yarn tail's getting in the way. Hold those loops on the hook, yarn over twice, go into the next. I had yarned over, brought it through. Now we have 5 loops. Yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over 2 loops, yarn over 2 loops, oops, 3 loops, yarn over 3 loops. I'm sorry, I said that wrong. I'm gonna rip that out and show you again in case I was confusing. Sorry about that. So we had our treble crochet 2 together here. So I'm gonna yarn over, and the beauty about crochet is that you can rip it out and redo it. So yarn over, I put it through the loop, bring in the loop here. So go through 2 loops and 2 loops. Yarn over twice, go to the next stitch, yarn over, bring it through, go through 2 loops, go through 2 loops, and now we have our final 3. We have our 2 treble crochet started here but not finished, and here was our previous treble crochet 2 together. So we're going to go through all 3 loops. And now I could do another one here if I felt like it, but I'll just do a normal treble crochet just to kind of finish it off and make it look halfway decent here. And so you can see I actually find this stitch to be a very fast stitch. Oops, I did not yarn over twice. Did you see that? I did a double crochet. But I find it to be a very fast stitch and very nice to use. So here we go. This has now a treble crochet, 2 right here, treble crochet 2 together, and see, notice that there's only 1 loop on the top then. So that way when you go into the next row and you're counting, and if you did the same 2 right here where you did treble crochet 2 together, you would continue until you ended up almost with a little triangle here. That's what that would look like. And then here we had treble crochet 2 together, and again you have just the 1 loop, where here we have a loop here for this treble crochet, a loop here for this treble crochet, and this one, and then you have your starting chain loop here. So if you went the other way, and then when you turn, if you're doing a treble crochet, you chain 4. That is your initial chain when you treble crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. That gives you the same height, and you yarn over twice, and you don't go into the first stitch, you go into the next one, and you do your treble crochet. So that's how you would continue on. Let's say we didn't need to do another decrease, right? You could continue on treble crocheting right over the top of that. So I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial today and you're able to use it in some beautiful patterns and create yourself. You will find some patterns on the website, patternprincess.com. Please make sure that you come and visit. The patterns are free on there. Of course, you can purchase printable PDFs, but please come and join, and then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date with what I post. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.